Hi and welcome to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo and I wanted to show you our new arrival 2025 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk, the unsinkable legend. You'll see that this boat here is finished in the light blue color with the white accent stripe. We've also optioned this boat with the teak accent and the white rub rail, so it makes for a super killer, sharp look, a little bit of an alternate to the classic Whaler white and red. Looks excellent out on the water, especially here in North Carolina. As we come towards the back of the boat, you'll notice we've powered it with the 115, which is the upgrade. Really great power for this boat. Also comes with that ski tow bar option, so it makes this a really versatile, family-friendly boat as well. As we move forward in the boat, you'll notice from the back section here, we've got a 3-step ladder, also with our teak accent, and we've optioned it with the jump seats back here, which are removable. So if you wanted to go fishing, you can remove these. Same with the lowers, and store them off the boat. This boat also does have the high rails, both at the stern and at the bow. Makes for a really safe spot to be out. And we've also optioned it with the live well. So use it for fishing. It's also a really great option to use as a cooler when you're not fishing or just storage. And then again, you do have this 4-position seat here. You just lift it up, locks into whichever position you want. You can use it as a seat, slide it forward, and you can use it as a leaning post. Really nice versatile seat. You'll notice up here at the helm, we have optioned this boat with pretty much every single option. We have the 9-inch Simrad NSX screen. This is the new updated version. We've got a Simrad VHF, and we've got a JL audio head unit with all the speakers on the boat as well. Makes for a really great time out on the water. Really, well-equipped boat. In addition to that, up over my head here, we do have the Bimini top option in the navy canvas color to match the blue exterior. Really great setup. Come on up forward with me, I'll show you what else we've got up here. With this being a fishing package boat, we are going to have 4 rod holders up here for your front jump seat, and then your igloo cooler. We've got the cover in here right now, but plenty of space in there for storage if you're not using it as a cooler, and then this really nice pad up here gives you a spot to sit out while you're running down the water. In addition to that, we have done the bow pad on this boat. So super comfortable spot to lay out. You can fit 7 adults on this boat. So really versatile, awesome, legendary boat here. And it's a great example. We're excited to have it in inventory. Give us a call or come check us out here at MarineMax Lake Norman if you guys want to see this boat or any others. Thanks.